$197 per month with free warranty, certified and inspected with available financing. A super clean Pacifica with a fantastic Carfax report. Harboring loads of awesome luxury features such as a premium single-disc MP3 capable audio sound system, steering wheel controls, third-row seating, pristine leather seats, a traction control system for additional safety, and much more. Having gone through our rigorous 120-point ASE certified service inspection and our premium high-quality care maintenance program, you can be sure to find this vehicle in excellent condition both inside and out. See videos, get details and apply online at www.dreamcarscredit.com. Payment based on 60 months, 6.95 APR, 20% plus TTL down WAC. Call to make an appointment or stop in any time to see our complete line of sedans, compact cars, trucks and family vans. We've got it all.